This is a mother killdeer, a bird that appears to break its own wings to protect its babies. But why? The reason is that this bird doesn't build nests in trees. Instead, it lays its eggs on the ground between rocks and pebbles. Whenever a predator comes near the nest, the killdeer suddenly drops to the ground and starts flapping around as if its wing is really broken. This tricks the predator into chasing the bird instead of finding the eggs. And the moment the predator is far away from the nest, the bird suddenly flies off safely.